Hi guys, good morning. Carlos Agassi here for fitness tips, advice, workout based on my experience and sa research. The best time to work out is what works for you. Kailangan pasok sa schedule nyo, happy kayo, hindi kayo tired, hindi kayo stressed. Good morning, mahal! Pwede ka bang makita?
Sa umaga ay kape!
Sa tanghali ay kape!
Ang sarap nun!
Kape! Gusto ko nang! Yan. And sa nutrition naman, nature's multivitamin, poor man's multivitamin is egg, one whole egg. Kasi yung egg white, depende kung small, medium, large, 4 grams to 5 grams or 6 grams of protein. Tapos yung yolk naman, yung yellow, pure quality fat yun. Siyempre, wag lang tayo sumobra. Either 4 to 6 grams of fat, tas wala siyang carbs. So, isa lang nun, okay na tayo the whole day. Yan. So, maganda i-take nyo yan, kainin nyo after workout.